Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong May 20 to 26, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan. So, may link tayo sa sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Let's see, Virgo. What is your overall energy? You have the 7 of Wands. You are standing your ground. Meron kang pinaglalaban. Hindi ka papayanig. I feel like there are some people who are against or parang hindi sang-ayon sa mga gusto mo. Pero you are still fighting for it. Let's see your challenge. What is the challenge? 2 of Cups. Uy, relationship. Iniisip ko pa lang kanina na baka pwedeng relationship to na may mga taong hindi sang-ayon sa relationship mo. Pero pinaglalaban mo pa rin. Maari ring magkaroon ng challenges pagdating sa business partnership for some of you. If you are in a business with someone or doing business with someone, let's see your opportunity. Queen of Wands. You have an opportunity to be successful in your passion, whatever you are passionate about. Let's say, maaring mayroong magiging center of attention ka this week. There might be some recognition sa ginagawa mo, sa career mo. I also see admirers around you. Ina-admire ka sa mga achievements mo. Let's see your blessing. Okay, your blessing. Queen of Swords. As a blessing, you have so much knowledge and power within you. And I think itong mga bagay na alam mo, mga expertise mo, this will lead you to success. Okay? Let's say, expert ka in any field. Okay? Expert ka sa engineering. Expert ka sa isang field na very much passionate about ka. So, you are going to improve your skill, your knowledge, and maaring dun ka mas mare-recognize. Okay? Sa iyong galing, sa iyong talino. What is the 7 of Wands? Diba? 6 of Wands. Speaking of recognition, I think kaya merong mga taong chine-challenge ka ngayon. Dahil nakikita nila yung potential mo of becoming successful. Na parang ang tingin nila sa'yo, you're a threat. Isa kang kalaban. Diba? Dahil there are some people na very much inspired sa ginagawa mo. It's like marami kang let's say mga taong naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan. Marami kang followers. Some of you pwedeng nasa social media, content creator, influencers. Kaya merong mga taong wants to bring you down. Okay? Because of that. Dahil there's too much competition. Sabi nga kapag daw hitik ang bunga binabato, 'di ba? Let's see, what is the Two of Cups? Knight of Pentacles. As a challenge, maaring if you are in a relationship right now, maaring futuristic na yung tingin mo sa connection na to. Maaring you are expecting a lot from this relationship. Same with the person that you're dealing with. Tapos sa ngayon, hindi pa clear kung ano yung gusto nyong marating. Kung ano yung gusto nyong future together. Well, kung nagsisimula pa lang naman yan, syempre, mahirap yung masyadong mape-pressure kayo pareho sa relationship na you're just getting to know each other, tapos ano na, magpapakasal na ba kayo? Yung mga ganun, 'di ba? Ano nang mangyayari 5 years from now? There's a lot of things na pwedeng mangyari, 'di ba? So, kailangan chill lang, hinay-hinay lang pagdating sa relationship. Especially kung nagsisimula pa lang, okay? And if this is a business situation for you, maaring there's a lot of expectations sa business partner mo. Of course, pera yan no? Negosyo yan. But kung masyadong malayo na yung tingin mo na hindi mo na napapansin yung nasa harap mo, paano ka makakarating doon sa gusto mong puntahan kung hindi mo nakikita yung nasa harap mo, 'di ba? So it's more on focusing on what you have right now. Okay? Let's see what is the Queen of Wands? Queen of Cups. You have the opportunity to take care of yourself, Virgo, especially your health. Baka kasi may mga times na puro ibang tao lang yung iniisip mo. It's time for you to focus on yourself. Practice self-love, self-care. This is going to bring you a lot of fulfillment, no? Alam mo yung feeling na kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo. There's so much independence. What is the Queen of Swords? The Tower. Oh. Some of you may blessing dito of cutting off people from your life na alam mong no longer serving your highest good. I don't know kung na-experience nyo na to, but minsan, no, may mga taong tinatanggal tayo sa buhay natin. And the moment na nawala sila sa buhay natin, mas naging maganda yung takbo ng buhay natin. Have you experienced that? So, yun yung nakikita ko sa inyo. Discovery. You are discovering more about your career, your options. So, ngayon, hinahayaan mong mag-flow ang ideas sa'yo. Kung ano pa yung pwede mong i-explore sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. You also have the Temperance card and the Three of Pentacles. So, hindi mo minamadali, and at the same time, hinahayaan mo rin ang sarili mo na mag-progress one step at a time. You are not forcing anything pagdating sa career mo. Ang importante is, alam mo na ginagawa mo yung best mo. Kasi I think you have learned from your past mistakes, from your failures. Kaya ngayon, you are taking it slow. Okay? Kumbaga, you are not in competition with other people. Kaya lang, yung iba, ang pakiramdam nila, you are in competition with them. Kaya, parang they see you as a threat. Well, sarili nilang perspective yon. But for you, if you just focus on yourself, hindi ka magpapadistract sa ibang tao, then you will reach your goal. No? Makukuha mo yung goal mo. Some of you are going to be focusing more on your family. Or maaring meron kang family member na malayo sa'yo ngayon na inaalam kung nasaan ka. Or also a friend. Parang malayong kaibigan. Or pwedeng reversal yung role. Meron kang hinahanap na kamag-anak or kaibigan na matagal mo nang gustong makita, makausap. You have the Fool, the Devil, and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, some of you have to be careful in getting into a relationship or a romantic connection nang hindi mo masyadong pinag-iisipan or hindi mo kinikilala tong tao na to. Kasi there might be some things about this person na hindi mo alam. Okay? Na maaring hindi mo pala gusto. So, pay attention sa mga red flags na yan. You're going with the flow, transformation. Yeah, I feel like may mag-open up na opportunity for you para may magbago sa buhay mo. In what area of life is this? Third house, sa yung learnings, sa yung communication skills, sa yung abilities to absorb new ideas. So, maaring meron ka ngayong opportunity to learn something, a new skill, a new knowledge na magbabago. Magsisimula ng pagbabago sa buhay mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!